The US has quietly been spending billions of dollars in Africa to compete with China and Russia's push into the continent. So for context, I track what companies are getting government contracts on my website so that I can invest in them before they hit the news. And I noticed a $590 million contract awarded to Cadel Construction to build a new embassy in South Sudan. This caught my eye because it's not only a huge contract to begin with, but it also begs the question, why is the US investing so much money into one of the world's smallest economies? So if you didn't know, whenever the State Department wants to build a new embassy in a challenging environment, most of the time they either use Cadel Construction or BL Harbor. Cadel, for instance, was the company that built the famous embassy in Kabul, which was evacuated in 2021. So I did some more digging and figured out that in addition to the new embassy in South Sudan, the State Department also announced new projects in Mauritius, the Congo, Malawi, Namibia, and Kenya. So why is the US investing so much in Africa? Well, China has projects in 35 African countries, with many financed with loans which, if they're not paid back, China can take collateral in the form of mines and fishing rights. And Russia has been dispatching mercenaries with ties to the Kremlin to secure mining operations. So potentially, Africa could be the new site of a new economic proxy war. Unfortunately, both Cadel and Harbor are private companies, so you can't invest in them. But every day, millions in contracts are given to public companies, so if you want to go see those, just go to Corporate Quant, and thanks for watching.